You're not alone. Between bills, unexpected expenses, and that tempting latte every morning, keeping track of your finances can feel like a never-ending battle. But what if there was a way to take control? A way to make your money work for you, instead of the other way around? That's where Raiz comes in. It's a revolutionary micro-investing app designed to help you effortlessly grow your wealth, bit by bit. Now, you might be thinking, investing? Sounds complicated. I don't have time for that. But trust me, Raiz makes it easier than ever. So, how exactly do you get started with Raiz and unlock the path to financial freedom? Let's dive in. Step 1. Download the app and sign up. First things first, head over to the App Store and download the Raiz app. It's free and available for both iOS and Android devices. Once downloaded, open the app and get ready to create your account. The sign-up process is super quick and easy. You'll just need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. Raiz is all about security, so rest assured your information is safe and sound. Step 2. Choose your investment style. Raiz offers a variety of investment options to suit your risk tolerance and financial goals. Don't worry, you don't need to be a financial whiz to navigate this. Raiz uses a handy questionnaire to assess your risk profile and recommend the perfect investment portfolio for you. There are options for conservative investors who prioritize security, balanced portfolios for a mix of growth and stability, and even more aggressive options for those comfortable with higher risk. Step 3. Connect your bank account. Now comes the part where Raiz helps you turn those everyday purchases into investment opportunities. Simply connect your bank account to the app. Raiz uses secure technology, so you can breathe easy knowing your information is protected. Step 4. Set up your micro-investing strategy. Here's where the magic happens, setting up your micro-investing strategy. Raiz allows you to automate your investments, making it a seamless process you barely even notice. You can choose to invest a fixed amount every day, week, or month. There's also a cool feature called Round UPS that rounds up your spare change from everyday purchases and invests the difference. Every penny counts, right? Step 5. Watch your money grow. With your micro-investing strategy in place, you can sit back and relax while Raiz takes care of the rest. The app does all the heavy lifting, automatically investing your money and rebalancing your portfolio to maximize your returns. You can track your progress anytime through the user-friendly app interface. See your investment grow over time and witness the power of consistent, automated investing. Bonus tip: explore additional features. Raiz doesn't stop there. They offer additional features to help you on your financial journey. Financial goals: set specific savings goals, like a dream vacation or a down payment on a house. Raiz will track your progress and keep you motivated. Educational resources: Raiz provides helpful articles and videos within the app to increase your financial literacy. Raiz, your key to financial freedom. Raiz empowers you to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. With its easy-to-use platform, automated investing, and helpful features, Raiz makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of experience. So, are you ready to ditch the financial struggle and start building wealth? Download the Raiz app today and take the first step towards financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.